Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to check who blocked you on Instagram. First of all, open up the Instagram app. After opening the app, click on your profile icon from the bottom right to switch the account. Tap to open the other account here. Once you open your other account, go into the Explore icon from the bottom bar. Search your other account and tap to view the account here. Then click on three dots from the top right corner. Tap to block this account. After that, click on your profile icon to switch back to your other account. Now from this account, click on Explore icon and search your other account. As you can see, you're not able to view its post, and you are no longer following that account. So that means the person blocked you on Instagram. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.